everybody. This is the shortbread cookie.
Yeah, we found these at our local grocery stores.
And this cookie is a cookie.
Yeah, cookie.
And this, we're drinking it with ice.
I thought it was pretty cute. It's $1.69. You think it's kind of pricey?
I know. This is a cookie.
$1.69. You can buy like a big pack of cookies. Or maybe a half a big pack of cookies. Okay, so this is a Decorate from the Decorate Cookie Company, I guess. Made in the USA. Expiration date here. It's a peanut-free product. Serving size is half a cookie. And it has 160 calories. So half of it. Oh my god, that's a lot, right? Okay, let's open it.
So
Cookie was the only cookie at the grocery store.
it's so cute. Look at the top.
Sugary.
It seems like someone ate it.
Took a bite. This cookie has a bite on it, right? Just kind of cookie. So, okay, it's the size of the hand. Okay, let's try it.
Usually I would say when you cut out the... I want the big half.
Can I cookie?
God. You know...
This thing is hard.
Do you know your
Emily,
toy cookie?
I have a knife here. Oh, there it goes. Let's look at the inside. Is it good? Yeah, the frosting part is really sugary. Okay, take a bite. Let's see how it tastes.
It's good.
Yeah, what does it taste like?
It tastes like a
Shortbread? Okay.
But the frosting tastes like...
Let's enjoy the rest of our breakfast. What do you guys say?
This is Kevin. Click on the like button if you want to see more. And please put me back together.
Put me back together. Let's try.